Hi, this is a project conducted by several of my graduate students in IO psychology who were interested in diversity and workplace inclusivity. Because they found little research providing theoretical foundations for workplace inclusivity and very few examples of scales measuring attitude toward workplace inclusivity, they decided to develop their own scale. So with little theoretical underpinning, we proposed four broad dimensions: affective, cognitive, conative, that is motivational, and behavioral in nature. Our goal was to identify the dimensions embedded within workplace inclusivity and generate preliminary evidence of construct validity. So we constructed 120 items, distilled to 11 representing each proposed dimension, and administered digitally to a sample of 210 employed undergraduate students attending an urban university in the United States. We also included multiple scales for external validity purposes, measuring attitude toward minority supervisor, coworker, and diversity policy, diversity beliefs and perceptions, trait agreeableness, multicultural identity, social dominance orientation, and perceived minority discrimination. When we examined the results of our exploratory factor analysis, three factors emerged. The first we labeled proactive inclusion, exemplified by I encourage minority coworkers to share their ideas. The second we labeled normative inclusion, all employees should feel valued at work. And the third we labeled inclusivity aversion, I am uncomfortable working for a minority supervisor. Factor intercorrelations and coefficients alpha are reported in table 1. In table 2 are the more interesting pieces of evidence for us, and those are the correlations between the three emergent factors and the external validity scales. The first two factors, proactive and normative inclusion, correlated positively with the external validity scales in the direction we predicted. And the third factor, inclusivity aversion, correlated negatively with those scales. So we're confident that our scale is being interpreted in the manner in which we intended. We didn't find the four broad dimensions, but the three that did emerge are intriguing. So we need to dig into the theory a bit more to look for foundations of workplace inclusivity. We need to generate additional items for the three factors that did emerge, and we need to collect evidence, that is data from incumbent respondents, to enhance our generalizability. Thanks so much.